Hi guys, so today I have two unboxings. One from Glamgoria and the other from Bathin'Nerdy. I know that I just did an unboxing for Bathin'Nerdy, but I had to get another one of this particular bath bomb, so I went ahead and placed a small order just so that I can get. That's why it's going to be so quick today, so I'll do them both in one. So the packaging for Glamgoria is super cute. Oops, dropping everything. So there is a Glamgoria button on the top, cute, and then a sticker, and then even her little tape is Glamgoria. It actually says handle with scare on it, and the box smells delicious. All right, so let's take a peek at what's inside. Cute paper. I'm super excited to see these. I got them purely for the brightness of the colors that I saw on the website, so hopefully they're as bright as they looked on the website. I did read that they're small, even though they were like $11 or $12 or whatever. Let me see if I have a... I do have a packing list, I believe. Doesn't have the pricing on it, but I'm pretty sure these were like $11 for two of them, and then maybe a little less for the other ones. I'll put the price on the bottom of this video. Is that really what I'm smelling? What am I smelling? I don't know if it's the bath bombs or something else. It smells fruity. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the first item. Oh yeah, it is really tiny, but she did say on that it's tiny, but it packs a punch. And look how cute it is. Look at this thing. It is this. It smells delicious. This is Cotton Candy Cocoon. Is that the scent? I don't remember. I think that's just a scent. Cotton Candy Cocoon. But it does say Cotton Candy Cocoon Bath Bomb. So if I'm wrong, I will correct it in my video. This smells amazing, and it says we are the weirdos, mister. But look at the bright colors. A white bath bomb, but I'm hoping that on the inside there is beautiful color. So and then did I order two of these? Hold on a second. Let me just go past that one real quick because I'm not understanding. And then look at this. Look at how bright this thing is. So cute. There is no label on this. All right. By the way, the customer service is excellent with this company. I also ordered this guy here. It says always check your candy. And it's the Sam bath bomb. Smells sweet. Over out here, my neighbors are probably like, what is she doing on her deck smelling stuff? Oh my gosh, this smells so good. This actually has the price. She must have used this one for it for a craft show or something, because it actually has the price on the back of it. This is called the handbook. And this is the handbook for the recently deceased. It's so cute and detailed. I don't know if I'm holding this up properly, because this is my first time out on my deck since spring hit. I think that's it, except that she threw in an extra. And I'll show you the extra in 1 second as soon as I clean up my mess. Oh, I dropped something else too. So there were two buttons in there. One says horror. And if you guys that know me, you know that's my thing. Horror and Glamgoria. I had some hater come on. My TikTok not too long ago when I posted a video of some of my Halloween stuff. I'm sorry, I call it horror stuff. And they're like, it's not even Halloween. Poo-poo, buddy. Poo-poo. Like, we don't, your kind is not accepted here. I mean, nobody said it was Halloween. Horror is year-round. Matter of fact, most of those movies didn't even come out exactly on Halloween. But it was just a hater. So, I'm not paying it much mind. But this was the free bath bomb. Does it look like another one I already showed you? Yes. So, thank you. It's actually, I can't remember which one of these I ordered and which one she gave me free. I don't know. I ordered one of them. She gave me the other one for free. One is short and one is tall and skinny, but it's the same colors. You know, the design is a little different. Both say cotton candy cocoon on the back, so I guess it's the same scent. And yes, thank you so much. Thank you. These are freaking adorable. All right, so what did we get? We got these 2 bath bombs here. One is a freebie. And I think it's because I had to wait a little longer. Maybe she gives freebies with every order, but she did say she sent me a little something for my trouble. So it really wasn't that long of a wait. But anyway, so thank you. We had the sand bath bomb. I hope I don't have to do this video all over again because I'm not holding these properly. Oh, it smells delicious. And then we had this, I'm sorry, this, I was reading the paper, so sorry. We have this adorable bath bomb here. And then finally, the handbook for the recently deceased. All right, they are all white bath bombs, painted, right? But from what I saw on her site, the embeds are ridiculously brilliant. So hopefully I get that same show that I saw on which she advertises her products. It's the first time I've ever ordered from Glamgoria, so I'm not really sure. And I ordered specifically for the brightness. And I know that I've told you guys a million times, I don't like white bath bombs. I don't. But like I said, it looked like the embeds were going to put on a pretty good show. All right, so that's it for Glamgoria. I'm just going to go ahead and move ahead to my quick unboxing of the, what was it, Bathin'Nerdy, I believe. So I did have Bathin'Nerdy. Here is their card. Although you probably just saw it on the previous unboxing. We have a little candy and pretty wrapping that says thank you on it. It's a little sticker. All right, let's see what I got here. Oh, is there? Yeah, I don't see an invoice or a packing list, so I'll have to try to remember. And I know I'm not going to if there's no label on it. Oh, here it is. So there is actually a label on the back. This is a Be My Boo. Have no idea how much it costs. I'll have to check on it and get back to you. At the bottom, I'll put the price on the bottom as I usually do, the bottom of the screen. Be My Boo. Too cute, adorable. It's kind of like shimmery. All right. And then did I get 2 or 3 bath bombs? Oh yes, this one was a second one that I got for my granddaughter. My granddaughter is going to be 7 and she loves the Demon Slayer. This is Blood Demon Art. And so I bought her one that I already have. And she was actually this for Halloween even. I bought her this, but then my son was like, she's never going to want to use it. So I bought her another one so she can use one and then keep the other one if that's what she wants to do. And her birthday's coming up, so I'll just put that in the box with her birthday stuff. I think that's it. I'm just making a mess. All right, and then the last thing I got was another duplicate from what I got before. Ain't No Yoke. Very cute. This smells amazing. I might have to use this one tonight because it smells like that's what I'm in the mood for. Again, Ain't No Yoke. Very small because again, I only bought it, made a purchase because I wanted this one bath bomb. Be My Boo. And then this is the one that I wanted, Blood Demon Art. I usually try not to buy just one bath bomb to make the shipping worth it, right? So I had to buy a couple just to make sure that I was getting my money's worth when it comes to shipping, or at least some of my money's worth. All right, guys. That is it for this unboxing. I had Bathin'Nerdy. I had Glamgoria. It's my first time for Glamgoria, so I'm really super excited to see what these bath bombs are like. Everything about her Instagram, Etsy is just full of color, horror and color, and so I'm super excited because those are I love horror and I love color. I also love retro, so those are my top 3 things that I look for when I'm looking for bath bombs: horror, retro, and color, which you can't tell me that's not color. Vibrant, 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 vibrant. This is the way I like to make my Inky Mac wax melts look. Super vibrant. Not everybody's into it, so sometimes I make non-vibrant wax melts, but I love color. So again, don't forget to check out my website for my wax. Inky Mac Wax, Shopify, Inky Mac Wax. I'll put the link down below. Shameless plug. All right, that is it for this unboxing, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.